If you're printing models in Chitubox and all of a sudden your print started failing, it's probably because of a part of the process called orienting to the face, where you're supposed to pick a part of your mesh and make it parallel to the build plate. Sometimes when you're doing dental models, the model building software will load in your model and it might look like it's flat to the build plate, but if you flip the model over and you look in Chitubox, it should have this green outline showing you that the model's actually touching the plate. So there I'm hitting orient to face. I click the part of the mesh that's flat that I want to be parallel and touching the build plate, and there it goes green. Now I can see I've oriented it to the face. It's going to print right. The print is not going to fail. One of the tricks though is these things will come in and you think you have it perfect just like that, but then you might tell yourself, oh, I'm going to like rotate or adjust my models just a little bit. And you can see, I think I'm just perfectly spinning this parallel to the build plate, but when I flip it over, I've actually slightly lifted it off the build plate. So if you're gonna make any adjustments, just go back and orient to face again and everything will be perfect.